welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really exciting. I'll be showing you guys my Watsons haul. What I got from Watsons, just keep on watching. By the way, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and to go follow my Instagram at Dominic_NKI. So let's be friends, guys. So don't forget to follow me on IG. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. So first thing I'll show you guys is a package from Luxe Organix. So this is their PR kit. I'm gonna go sterilize the product. So I have here 59S. It's a must-have so that we can kill 99.9% bacteria and virus. So to use it, I'm just gonna go do this and then click it twice and there. So I'm just gonna go sterilize the products and I'll be right back, guys. When you open the package, it says here, Dear Nikki Soriano, I have here their Aloe Vera Set. See, it looks so pretty. First, I'll be showing you guys this body cream, Aloe Vera with vitamin C. It's really good. I love using aloe vera in my body. So this is the product, guys. Actually, it says here it's paraben free. This is a body cream for all skin types. Next, we have this face and body scrub, which is aloe vera apricot scrub with vitamin C. So I usually exfoliate my skin at least twice a week. So next is the shower gel. It's an aloe vera with vitamin C. Cleansing and moisturizing shower gel. Looks good. I want to try this already. Thank you so much, Luxe Organix. For those who follow me on Instagram, I think you guys saw this on my IG stories. And I'll show you guys my thoughts. Yeah, so this is from their PR kit. And this is their new product line, Collagen by Watsons. So they sent me their moisturizing and firming products. So the products are upgraded with Tricollagen Complex from Europe. Start with the peeling cleanser. This line is really good for firming and it's moisturizing. But it has like beads on it. It removes dead skin cells. I'll show you guys how to use it. Just put like 1 to 2 pumps. Rub it in circular motion. Once you rub it for 30 seconds, you can see dead skin cells coming off. After rubbing, just wash it. You can use this product at least twice a week. You have here the toner. Collagen by Watsons. Intensive Moisturizing and Repairing Facial Cream. There. Actually like the packaging. Yeah, guys, so here's the moisturizer. Actually like it. It has a lid on it. It has a light creamy texture. And it's yellowish. The collagen is from deep sea fish and then it is extracted from snails. So by the way, it has horse oil as well. Collagen by Watsons, moisturizing and firming massage eye roll-on. So I find the packaging really pretty. All you have to do is just take off the cap and then do this, put it under your eye. It's a massage eye roll-on. Good for circulation. Okay, thank you so much, Watsons, for these products. They also send me these square puffs, including their wipes. This one is unscented and alcohol-free. Okay, next, Dermaction Plus by Watsons. So this is their cleansing water. Moisture care for normal skin. And this cleansing water is really affordable and really effective in taking off your makeup. Plus, it's not too harsh because it's fragrance-free and even paraben-free. This is their water drop cream from Fresh Skin Lab. I also like to show you guys their sleeping pack. For the sleeping pack, guys, you're supposed to use this one at night and then just rinse it off the next day. This is a fast-absorbing sun gel. It has a lightweight formula. So it says here's a lip therapy mask. It has vitamin C and antioxidant and it leaves a healthy, subtle glow to your soft, plump lips. So it looks like this. Ooh, this is the lip therapy mask. So this is a Dermaction Plus cleansing water and then purifying facial gel. I'll show you. So cute, guys. Finally, I'll be showing you guys more products. This is the Perfect Smile. So this is the teeth whitening gargle stick. It also contains vitamin C and then green tea extract. I'm gonna show you. Then you're supposed to use this twice a day and then after a week, you'll see the difference. Gargle stick. Try their whitening pen. I'll show you guys later on.
A few moments later.
Here's the Perfect Smile whitening pen. This is Minty, guys. It's almost gone. All you have to do is just twist this. Apply this on your teeth like this. Just rinse it with water. I'll be showing you guys 2 products. It is from Senka. So I got this Perfect White Clay. It really takes up all of your makeup. It takes up all the dirt on your face. So this is also good for brightening your skin. Also got this Perfect Whip Collagen In. This is packed with collagen beauty serum. Pretty. It's pink. Anyway, 2 products from Belo. So even though I stay at home, I always apply sunscreen. Belo Tinted Sunscreen. And I got this Bello Acne Pro Pimple Gel. Because last time, I was breaking out. This is really effective. Whenever I have a pimple, just apply this pimple gel and then you're good to go. Have here the Body Treats Charcoal Nose Pore Strips. It has 12 pieces inside. So this is the nose pore strip. I got the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So this is my go-to concealer. If you guys are wondering, I'm in the shade 20 Sand. Sometimes I just use concealer and then I'm good to go. The exciting part, face mask. This is also a sheet mask haul as well. I'm so excited. Some of you guys know that I'm a sheet mask lover. I collect sheet masks. I'm addicted to Mediheal lately. I'll show you guys what I got. I really like it because I really find it effective. So I got this black Minty sheet mask. So this one has a whitening effect. Next, I got this tofu milk. Oh, this is good for soothing dull and rough skin. So if you guys have haggard skin, you can use this tofu milk. So you can just stir this one and then you can use the excess essence and apply over your face. I got most of the Mediheal mask. So I'll show you guys the first one. So this is the Tea Tree Care Solution. Tea Tree, guys. Has a Mediheal Press logo. Next is DNA Aquaring Mask. It's a creamy serum mask. I got the IPI Light Max. I also got the Vitalite Beam Essential Mask. RNA Brightening. So I got the NMF Aquaring Mask. HDP Pore Stamping Black Mask. I also have this WHP White Hydrating Mask. So this one is a black mask, guys. It's PLACENTA Essential Mask. 2 Collagen. The Collagen Impact Essential Mask. Oh, these products are from Mediheal. And then I also got more sheet masks. 2 masks from Dr. Morita. I got this high concentration essence facial mask. It has hyaluronic acid. And then this one contains luxury black pearl extract. Here are the masks. Both are for skin whitening. So I got this too. It's a black mask, by the way. So I'll show you guys my Garniersheetmask. So I'll be showing you guys what I got there. I haven't tried this. Hyaluron Shot Fresh Mix Booster Mask. So here is the booster and this is the sheet mask. Here are the steps on how to use it. First step, it says here to fold it and you can now break it so that it can go here. I'll be trying it soon. Next is the Brightening and Energizing Mask. I want to try both. It contains vitamin C. So here's the product. These masks are special because you can mix it on your own, which is actually fun. So this is a serum mask like complete. This contains lemon, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. So this is the Ageless White Firming Mask. It's 1 week of serum in 1 mask. Hydro Bomb. This one contains pomegranate and hyaluronic acid. Super Hydrating Soothing Tissue Mask. So this one contains lavender essential oil. This is a serum mask. It's a Light Complete Bright Up Tissue Mask. It has a milky essence and the Light Complete Bright Up Mask. So these are 10 pieces naman. So I just placed my sheet mask here so that I can organize my sheet mask. By the way, if you guys are interested, I'll be doing a Korean and Japanese skincare haul. I'm gonna be reviewing Korean makeup as well. So don't forget to subscribe. That's it for my Watson's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching because I had fun showing you guys my skincare products. Go follow my Instagram, which is at Dominic_NKI. So that's it for today's video. See you guys on my next one. Bye! Love you all. Bye!